Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a chibi version of Reindessa from Roblox Piggy. Alright, so let's draw this chibi version of Reindessa, and to begin we're drawing the shape of the head first, and it's pretty much just gonna be a circle but a little bit flatter on the bottom. Alright, so let's try to draw that. So I'm just gonna come around, and again, just kind of freehand it. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look exactly the same. Just a little bit flat on the bottom. Okay, so mine's is a little bit wobbly, but that's okay. So let's continue on with this. All right, so come to the middle of this and then come down slightly. Let's draw the nose. Just let me shade that in real quick. All right, and then come back up here. You can make a little point. I'm just gonna go all the way down. So this will be the snout area. And then for the eyes, just come to kind of like a 45-degree angle out here. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. Just trying to draw a cute little face. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a highlight. All right, so that's gonna be the head shape, and now let's draw in the ears. All right, so just come out to the eyes right here. You can go up, make a little point, make another point here. So that's gonna be the start and the end here. I'm just gonna flare this out. Now come to a corner. Okay, so let's draw the same thing on the other side. Just flare this out, and again just come in, and then for the details inside, so just follow the line on the outside. So this part is very easy. All right, and then now for the antlers. So let's draw it this way so that we can hopefully make it a little bit more symmetrical. So now go on the inside here, just kind of zigzag. And then same thing here, just follow that curve, whatever you just did. Okay, and we can add in maybe just one more. We're just gonna keep it simple. All right, and then now for the body. So the bodies are super easy with these kind of chibi style characters. Okay, so you make two little points here and just flare this out. This will be the dress. Come to the center, just one curve, and then just kind of connect everything, round off the corners a little bit. All right, and let's draw in the legs or the foot. Just one little bow shape on the bottom. All right, and then for the arms, again, really simple. Just one little stump. And then for the candy cane, just draw two, like a little bar like this first. Now I'm gonna go on the outside. Let's go all the way out. And then again, now we're just gonna follow that on the inside. Round off the tip, and then for the stripes, two more, last one right here. All right, so that is pretty much it for this chibi version of Reindessa. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.